Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this algebraic equation when we have x divided by x to the power of minus 2 equals 1. So to solve this, we consider from the denominator as we have x divided by. So for x raised to the power of minus 2, we can write it as 1 divided by x to the power of 2 following the rule of indices. Everything equals 1. So here is the general divisions, which we can turn into the smaller one. We call this one the long. So we write it as x divided by 1 divided by x squared equals 1. So this multiplication, we change it to, I will change this division to multiplication by the rule of reciprocal, and by doing that we have x, then we multiply it by x squared divided by 1 equals 1. That is the rule of reciprocal. Then we change this division to multiplication. We also switch the position of numerator and denominator. So x multiplied by x is now given as x to the power of 3 equals 1. So having this, since this is to the power of 3, it means we need 3 solutions. But one of these, when we try to take the cube root of both sides, that is x to the power of 3 cube root equals the cube root of 1. And with this, we have x equals 1, where 1 is the only real solution. But let's see how we can get the other complex solution. So here from x to the power of 3, so when we take 1 here, we have minus 1 equals 0. But this minus 1, we can also write it as 1 to the power of 3. It's still the same thing as 1. So we consider this as difference of 2 cube. As when we have this identity, suppose we have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3. This is equal to a minus b in bracket, open bracket, a square plus b square plus ab. Here is the identity for difference of 2 cube. And by substituting for x to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3, it gives x minus 1, close bracket, open bracket, x square plus 1 square plus x multiplied by 1. So for the whole of this, x cube minus 1 cube equals 0. Definitely the whole of this also equals 0. And here we have x minus 1, open bracket, x square. So 1 square is given as 1 plus x multiplied by 1 is also given as x. Everything equals 0. And to get the first value of x, we are going to say that x minus 1 equals 0. And with this one, we have the value of x equals 1 as it has been gotten above. So for the other values, we consider his as x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 equals 0. Let's try to compare this with this. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, which is a quadratic equation. Therefore, the coefficient of x squared from the first one is a, and we have it as 1. B is coefficient of x, which is also 1, and c is also 1. So therefore, we try to plug it in this equation, which is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So when we try to plug in this, we have x equals minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So with what we have here, the whole of this, which is x multiplied by x equals minus 1 plus or minus this, when we try to take the complete evaluation of it, we have minus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 3 divided by 2. Here is what we have. And since we have negative in a root, we are going to consider this as x equals minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by 2. But square root of minus 1 is given as I or j. So therefore, we have x equals minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. And here gives the other solutions for x2 comma 3, and here is our x1. And as usual, we are done. Thanks for watching, and if you are just coming to our channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.